Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is he is my bosom friend. He is my bosom friend. वो मेरा जिगरी दोस्त है. Second, he often comes home at dead of night. He often comes home at dead of night. वो अक्सर आधी रात को घर आता है. 3. Rise and shine dear mom. Rise and shine dear mom. सुबह बखैर प्यारी अम्मी जान. 4. Nighty night dear father. Nighty night dear father. शब बखैर प्यारे अब्बा जान. 5. I know him well. I know him well. मैं उसको अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. 6. Don't vex me. Don't vex me. मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. 7. He just went out. He just went out. वो अभी बाहर गया है. 8. This is sin. This is sin. और it is sin. ये गुनाह है. 9. The glass shattered into pieces. The glass shattered into pieces. कांच के टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गए. The last one is 10. I was born in April. I was born in April. मैं अप्रैल में पैदा हुआ था. So first sentence is if that's the case. If that's the case. अगर ऐसी बात है तो. Second, why are you scrambling for these trivial things? Why are you scrambling for these trivial things? तुम मामूली सी चीज़ के लिए क्यों छीना झपटी कर रहे हो? 3. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. मुझ पर मत चिल्लाओ. 4. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. मैं पागल हो रहा हूँ. 5. Suddenly it knocked my mind. Suddenly it knocked my mind. अचानक मेरे ख्याल में ये आया. 6. What do I lose? What do I lose? मेरा क्या जाता है. 7. I've known it you don't like smoking. I've known it you don't like smoking. मुझे पता चला है कि तुम्हें सिगरेट पीना पसंद नहीं. 8. We all understand. We all understand. हम सब समझ गए. 9. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. मेरे पीछे पढ़ो. 10. What a bother. What a bother. क्या मुसीबत है. So first sentence is bless me success. Bless me success. मुझे कामयाबी की दुआ दो. Second, coming through. Coming through. मैं आ रहा हूँ. 3. Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. अपनी हद में रहो. 4. Come down stairs quickly. Come down stairs quickly. सीढ़ियों से जल्दी नीचे आओ. 5. Pay attention to yourself. Pay attention to yourself. खुद पर तवज्जो दो. 6. Control yourself. Control yourself. संभालो खुद को. 7. Consider me your own. Consider me your own. मुझे अपना ही समझो. 8. Winters are about to start. Winters are about to start. सर्दियाँ शुरू होने वाली हैं. Don't disturb my mind. 9. Don't disturb my mind. मेरा दिमाग मत ख़राब करो. The last one is 10. Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about? तुम किसकी बात कर रहे हो?